We can always find reasons to be happy. So please put up a smiling face. Stop looking here and there. Look towards me. I'm standing here. Day before yesterday, Roshni pinged and asked me if I was willing to give my CC03. Out of mere happiness and of speaking here, I said yes. And today morning she reminded, are you prepared with your speech? I said, oh. Then I started realizing, why did I actually say yes? It's because I feel happy when I come here. I like talking, I like interacting with people, I like giving speeches. I may not be a preacher, but I like giving speeches and talking to people in public. So what is one thing that every living soul strives for? It's not money, it's happiness. Money may give you happiness, but the final goal is happiness. In fact, I belong to a Hindu family. Indian families usually have a way of greeting elders, and elders give back blessings. And the most common blessing is Khush Raho, be happy. So all of a sudden, I stumbled upon the point that everything rotating around you, you want to find is happiness. Happiness is one word that gives me pleasure, and when I tried to think upon it, there was one thing that struck my mind. That was the movie Pursuit of Happiness. How many of you have watched that movie? Pursuit of Happiness. Okay. So now I have to be cautious because a lot of you have seen it. So what is that movie all about? Many people would have different views what they have taken from the movie. I have also a single point if I have to take from the movie. But before I tell you that point, I would like to tell about what I haven't taken from that movie. What that movie is not about to me. If I talk about that movie, it's not about spending everything or investing everything into a business that does very bad. You lose everything out of it. It's not about strange relationships in adverse times. Even your loved ones leave you. It's not about chasing a taxi to get into a cab with a person you want to get introduced to and then end up running away from the driver because you don't even have a penny to pay for it. You are so desperate. In a chase, you lose your only item with you that might actually give you money. You lost it. It's not about doing an internship that is not giving you money and you are spending all of your time in that internship because numbers is something that excites you. You want to do something. It's not about spending each night in a night shelter and striving to get a night shelter. It's not about that. It's not about cursing your son to drop a toy just because you might have missed a bus. It's not about spending a night at a metro station and playing some random games with your kid so that your kid doesn't realize that you don't have anything. You might have to spend a night in a toilet there. That you did. You locked up a bathroom. It's not about that. It's not about that. It's not about rising from the ashes. It's not about going for an interview without a shirt because you spent the last night in the jail and still come out to be witty. And still you were able to answer all the questions. It wasn't about getting your first job, your dream job. It wasn't about happiness. It wasn't about handing over your last dollar from your wallet just so that your boss doesn't see you with sympathetic eyes. It's not about that. Confused in what this is all about? It's about the pursuit of happiness. It's a continuous chase of a source of happiness that can make you happy. For me, that movie is all about pursuit. Continuous chase of a source that might give you a happiness. That's all about it. And your source changes and you cease to be happy. Why happens why do you land up in such a place? Why are you not happy? If you are not happy, then there must be a reason. For example, you get a phone. First phone everybody remembers. You were very excited about it. You were happy because you had a phone, but then you changed it. Why? Because your source of happiness changed. Everybody was very much excited about your first job. Yeah, I can see smiles. But people are willing to change it. People changed it. Why? Did your first job not give you happiness, or was it fake happiness? No, it was true happiness. But the only thing was, happiness is not a title, it's not a tag. It's not a trophy that you can take to your deathbed. Happiness is about the moments that you cherish. It's about continuously chasing and achieving something, and that's what makes you happy. It's said in the movie, it's that little moment what's called happiness. And there are several moments in your life. So at any point of time when you stop feeling happy, that means you are not pursuing what might make you happy. So start searching your goals that might make you happy. Start in that direction. That happiness can be sleeping all day. So take a break and sleep all day. Make yourselves happy. As long as you are not pursuing your happiness, you are not living. You are already dead. So better start pursuing your happiness. Thank you.